everyone, welcome to Dr. Isha's Palette. COVID infection is spreading at an alarming rate throughout the world. In this video, I will explain 5 must-do things after getting COVID infection along with demonstration of breathing exercises to increase lung capacity. So let's see.
5 things you must follow after getting coronavirus infection. First and most important thing is you must consult your doctor immediately if you are having fever and dry cough, because diagnosing early is the only solution to avoid major complications arising due to COVID infection. And yes, if you are corona positive, then think positive. Don't feel victimized. There is a solution to each and every problem. So boost yourself up and don't be panicked, because negative thinking will hamper your recovery. So willpower is the greatest medicine one can ever have. Second thing is follow proper diet. Following proper diet during fever is most important. So I have given guidance on what one should eat while having fever. So I have given link above and below in the description box as diet during fever.
Third thing is breathing exercise. After getting any infection, as a reaction, inflammation sets inside the lung tissue. As a result of this reaction, secretions get accumulated inside the lungs. No antibiotics or medicines can expel this mucus out. The only way to expel this mucus out is breathing exercise or coughing. So let's see how to do this breathing exercise to expel the mucus out and also to increase the lungs capacity. So let's start. First is deep breathing. Take a deep breath inside and slowly breathe out. Repeat this for at least 5 times. Next is Anulom Vilom with Antak Kumbhak. For this, make a Pran Mudra like this by folding index finger and middle finger. Now close left nostril with both the fingers and breathe in through right nostril. Now close both the nostrils and hold breath for a while. Now breathe out through right nostril. Now this time breathe in through right nostril which is open. Hold breath and release breath through left nostril. In this way, one cycle is completed. Repeat these cycles for at least 5 times. Next is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is having some limitations such as persons who are having high blood pressure, heart problems, women with ongoing menstruation, pregnancy, currently wheezing, abdominal surgeries, and those who are having hernia should not practice Kapalbhati. While doing Kapalbhati, breathe in normally and breathe out forcefully by pulling inside your abdominal muscles like this. So while doing this exercise, do not move any other part. Keep all other body parts stable and just move abdominal muscles. Do not move head or don't shrug shoulders like this. So just sit upright and pull in the abdominal muscles like this. Now in this exercise, put both of your hands just below the chest where the ribs ends. Now take a deep breath in and breathe out. Next is shoulder shrug. Breathe in while shrugging shoulders up and breathe out while moving the shoulders down. Repeat this for 5 times. Next is elbow rotations. Put your hands on shoulder. Now rotate elbows in one direction. Breathe in while moving elbows up. Breathe out while moving elbows down. Repeat these rotations for 5 times in both the ways. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In the next set of exercise, we will breathe in while taking the hands up, and we will breathe out while moving the hands down. So, let's start. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In the next set of exercise, we will be breathing in while moving our hands sideways, and we will be breathing out while moving hands down sideways. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Repeat this for 5 times. Next is wall push-ups. Keep a distance in your hands just little more than your shoulder breadth. Keep them straight. Also keep some distance between legs. Now breathe in while going towards wall. Breathe out while going away from wall. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Repeat this for 5 to 10 times. All these breathing exercises work on respiratory muscles and help lungs to expel the secretions out and also increase the lung capacity. Even after getting cured from COVID infection, you should continue all these breathing exercises for better health of your lungs. And yes, even if you are healthy, you can practice these breathing exercises to increase your lung capacity. I would recommend to conclude this breathing session with Omkar recitation for mind and body relaxation. Take a deep breath and start Omkar recitation.
Fourth thing is having herbal tea. So I would recommend to consume herbal tea according to your body type or prakriti. For detailed information of herbal tea, please click the link below. They're given in the description box as immunoboosting herbal tea. Fifth thing, major consequences of COVID infection is weakness all over the body. To overcome this weakness, you must consume black raisins health drink or dates and ragweed health drink. Link for these recipes of both these health drink I have given below in the description box.
Let us pray good health to all. If you find this video useful and if you wanna support me, please subscribe.